Aeronova is creating a line of aircraft of various classes, from light unmanned platforms to heavy airships for complex logistics, through which we will demonstrate their capabilities and efficiency in the modern world. The aircraft line will include several prototypes. These are NOVA-01 and Aerolet-01. These aircraft were created specifically to test and apply in action all the modern solutions that the company plans to use in its future models. I am pleased to present our firstborn. This is the NOVA-01 Airship. In fact, it is a dynamic copy of our next airship model, the NOVA-2. On it, we are testing the controls, the autopilot system, and data collection. In the future, its modified version, once refined, could be a separate product, whether for monitoring or advertising. Its size is 130 cubic meters and its length is 17 meters. It can carry a payload of 20 kilograms on board, whether it be some equipment or any cargo being transported. Also, future modifications of this aircraft could become a separate commercial product, where it could serve as an advertising platform or a tool for monitoring and observation. Aerolet-01 is our hybrid version with improved aerodynamic characteristics. This is an experimental model on which we are also testing new solutions, unusual for airships, but which may be used in future models. In it, in addition to aerostatic lift, aerodynamics will also play a role, improving its performance in certain tasks where airships can be used. Its volume is almost 190 cubic meters, its length is 19 meters, and the payload it can carry on board is about 50 kilograms. The aircraft line will also include the NOVA-2 Airship. This is an airship with a volume of 2,000 cubic meters, capable of carrying 500 kilograms over 500 kilometers. Its passenger version will be designed for 6 people, including the pilot. Following it is the NOVA-8 Airship with a volume of 8,000 cubic meters. This aircraft will already be capable of carrying 19 passengers or 4 tons over 3,000 kilometers. Then rounding out the aircraft line is the NOVA-35 Airship. This is an airship of a completely different class, which has a rigid hull. This will be the first and smallest rigid hull aircraft that the company plans to produce in the future. This aircraft will be capable of lifting at least 15 tons and transporting cargo over thousands of kilometers. This line of aircraft will meet a significant portion of the needs that have now emerged in the logistics and freight transportation market. And our next step is the NOVA-2 Airship, which can carry 6 passengers or 500 kilograms for 500 kilometers. Thanks to everyone who watched this video. Friends, stay with us. There will be more videos and episodes ahead showing how we're reviving the airship industry, and we'll see you in the next videos.